Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Shark Pad 7 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the video resolution in the camera app. Alright, so let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, as you can see, so let's switch to the video. Just tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now let's take a look at this option bar, and let me change the configuration of the tablet. All you need to do is to tap on the settings icon in the left upper corner. And here we've got the video quality, which is the video resolution too. So just tap on it, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so 2K, FHD, HD and VGA. So all you need to do is to mark the option black to use. I'll pick, for example, this one, and it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.